We're gonna change the air filters. We're gonna go prop out some stuff here. There's this. 4 of these. Oh no. I'm gonna give you a pry tool. Here. There we go. It took me a while. You guys are amazing at these technologies. Oh. Dang, dude. I'd rather do oil changes. What is this?
It's hot inside.
It's very hot. What is this? It's about to come out, but I have greasy hands. Here we go. Air filter time. Wow. So yucky. The fun part is taking this out without damaging any electrical components. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Stubborn. Imagine this tab breaks. Here we go. Get up, please. This is why. Cool. Now we can put the cool ones in. As you can see, there you go. That's good. That's good. I don't know what's inside of it. Oh boy. Play with it. Got the tab out. Got another tab here. Making sure you are easy to get next time. Please make my life a little bit easier. Oh boy. I need that tab. Here we go. Here we go, chat. Tab right here. If you can see. There's a tab right there. Now we just put everything back in. Boom. The fun part. Oh boy. Don't I love this? There are people paying over $100 just to let someone do this for them. Tesla service. When you could just pay $17. I got this on Prime for $17. Just pull out some trims. Boom. New air filter installed. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Let's wing it. Okay, chat, I did it again. We're gonna go do it again. Hopefully we don't lose this bolt. That'd be tweaking if we did. Boom. Turns out there's a small little tab up front. Had to make sure it's in correctly. That's what she said. I am sweating. I am done. Just need to go put everything back. You ain't going nowhere. Too easy, good stuff. We are good to go.
Daddy, should I have a socket?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna punch everything back in, dude. Cool, we're done. I'll put everything back in. Ah, yeah, this burnt me.
Now can you play with it?
Almost done, Skylar.